Unlock the power of customer trust and boost your sales by mastering product reviews on Shopify. Today, we're diving deep into how to add product reviews to your Shopify store and make them work for you. The easiest and most common way to get started is by installing a dedicated Shopify app. Head over to your Shopify admin, navigate to the Apps section, and then click Visit the Shopify App Store. You'll find a plethora of excellent review apps. Do a quick search for product reviews. Take a moment to compare features, pricing, and most importantly, user reviews of the apps themselves to find the best fit for your store. Once you've chosen an app, click Add App and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. Most apps will guide you through an initial setup, which often involves connecting it to your existing products. After installation, you'll typically customize the look and feel of your review widgets to match your store's branding. This includes things like where the reviews appear on your product pages and the style of the rating stars. And just like that, your review functionality is live. You'll now see a space on your product pages where customers can leave their feedback. But simply having the feature isn't enough. You need to actively encourage reviews. A powerful strategy is to send post-purchase emails. Many review apps have automation features built in that can send out review requests a few days after a customer receives their order. Encourage customers to include photos or videos of them using your product's visual reviews. Add a huge layer of authenticity and social proof, making your store much more trustworthy. For those who are more comfortable with coding, you also have the option to customize your theme directly. This often involves adding snippet files or editing existing ones to integrate review functionality. However, for most users, the app route is significantly simpler and requires no coding knowledge. Remember to engage with your reviews. Thank customers for positive feedback and address any negative comments constructively. This shows you value customer input and care about their experience. By implementing and actively managing product reviews, you're building invaluable social proof, increasing customer trust, and ultimately, driving more sales. Start gathering those glowing reviews today.